came last.
Here as well?
In our show is 20.
20.
Mm.
Essex, where are you talking about? Which city?
It's South Woodhampton.
Woodhampton.
Alright, near South End, yeah.
I guess I'll leave it to the top. Kita habla español, ¿eh?
No habla, pero habla,
Need a plastic mannequin one.
Absolutely, yeah. You live in East London?
No, I live in Essex.
Essex.
Yeah.
Where is Essex?
Please let me know if I hurt you so I can change it for any for yourself and any other customers I have. Just take it behind, you know. That's how it is, yeah. I like to take it behind, yes. That's how it is. Because it looks very different, you know. And I don't like to change my look there because everybody wants to see me in the same look. Because since childhood, I have the same look. I show it to you my childhood photo right now. When I was 19 years old, I make up in England. My first photo in England. So you also like
44. 21st birthday is a special one, isn't it?
yeah.
And
Yeah,
my
it's your
neighbor,
18th and 21st.
yeah, 60, the 21st is 60 and 21st in this country.
Yeah,
In
well,
Upton
the
Park,
16th
where I used
doesn't
to
really
live.
mean anything, does it?
40 is,
Still got another
you know, yeah, absolutely.
You're not 50 yet, you're right. Don't wish you're like, right?
No. Hopefully I will be 60.